Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear up some space on the CapCut PC. So if your CapCut PC is running laggy or error, that might be because the space is running out, and this is what you are going to do to fix it. You can try to clear the cache, and if you want to clear the cache of the CapCut PC, you need to close the CapCut project first, and then here you need to do it on the CapCut PC homepage. So you can just click on this gear icon and then tap on settings, and in here you'll see the cache size. So my cache size is a little bit big, so I think it's big. So what you need to do to clear it, you can just click on this trash icon, and here you can click on OK, and you don't need to worry because by clearing the cache it doesn't affect the use of history projects. So if you need to use stickers, effect, and other materials, you need to download them, but you need to download them again. So if you are confirmed, you can tap on OK. Now CapCut will removing the cache of the app. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so now it's done, and the cache now is only 20 megabyte, and you can just tap on save when you are done. And that's all for me. That's how you can clearing up or space up your CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.